From the title and thumbnail, you know today's video. It's all about Wonyoungism. Before starting the video, first let me ask, what is actual Wonyoungism? Now, most of you think it's about turning everything into pink. Soft aesthetic is Wonyoungism. But wait bro, it's not only that much. And honestly, you can't turn the world into pink aesthetic. It's more about the lifestyle inspired by Jang Wonyoung, a member of IVE. It's about aesthetic plus elegance plus confidence, plus self-love plus luxury feminine energy. So let's unclose the secret of Wonyoung, that you can follow and become like her, and start your Wonyoungism era. We gonna talk about every detail of her. Start with her hair, look, mindset, aura, style, and body. First, hair. If you ever noticed, most of the time she has the wispy bangs, and sometimes curtain bangs with long layers. What you think? She randomly goes to the salon and asks to cut any bangs and it suits her, because she born beautiful. Nope. Because she read her face and she has an oval face, so curtain bangs and wispy bangs suit her and give a balanced visual. So now don't cut your hair randomly or as same as Wonyoung. Instead, click a straight photo in which your hair is not hiding any part. Upload in ChatGPT. Ask to tell your face shape, or you can use IG or TikTok filter to find out. Then here are some haircut that go according to your face shape. And trust me, having a good haircut will automatically gives you a main character aura instantly like Wonyoung. Also, if you notice, Wonyoung always have a healthy long hair. Long or short is your choice, but having healthy hair is must. And I'm not gonna tell you to do 10 steps of hair care. Instead, try to avoid heat as much as you can. Wash your hair twice a week. Apply oil that suits you 2 hours before shampoo. Use conditioner in only length of your hair, and leave it for 30 minutes at least. And after shampoo, use serum or leave-in conditioner. Optional but effective. Second look. If you notice Wonyoung face, it's quite symmetrical but not 100%. So you can also achieve quite symmetrical face by doing these. First, sleeping up instead of pressing one side of your face. Second, chew evenly on both sides while eating. Third, align your upper and lower teeth, and place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth right in the center. Slowly open and close your mouth to realign your jaw. These steps are for jaw. For features like eyes, eyebrows, cheek, jawline, and lips want symmetrical, then comment. I will make a video on that too in detail. Okay, apart from this, she also known for her clear and glass skin. If you struggling from pimples and marks, I already made a video on this in very detail. Check out after that. For achieving glass skin, you just need to follow consistent skincare routine like her. Start with double cleansing. Then rice toner helps you to brighten up your skin. Apply moisturizer. Use this serum. End up with sunscreen. Apart from skincare, a healthy diet also matter. She include all nutrients, but in small quantity to maintain her weight. Also, she never skip diet. Third, mindset and aura. Beyond her looks, what really fascinates people about Jang Wonyoung is her mindset, calm, confident, and graceful even in tough situations. 1. Self-respect comes first. Wonyoung gives off an aura that she knows her worth. She doesn't let others define it. Even when people online criticize her for being too confident or acting too perfect, she never reacts emotionally. Instead, she stays calm, professional, and polite even on stage or at airport. And she rarely reacts to any hate comment. Moral: respect yourself and react less. You don't need to prove who you are. 2. Soft outside, strong inside. People see her as soft, gentle, princess-like, but behind that image, she's incredibly disciplined and strong. She's trained since very young age, and her professionalism shows her strong mentality. Moral: even if you have soft heart but keep your mind strong. 3. Confidence is a practice. Her confidence doesn't look fake, it looks trained. She built it through consistent self-discipline, skincare, posture, manners, fitness, and mindset. Moral: confidence isn't something she was born with, she built it like a habit. 4. Elegance is energy. Her version of elegance isn't just clothes or makeup, it's energy. She walks, talks, and gestures with grace because she chooses to move through the world intentionally. That's the heart of Wonyoungism. Moral: elegance isn't about luxury, it's about how you carry yourself. 4th, style. So for this, I'm gonna show you some basic Wonyoung style clothes that should be on your wardrobe, so you can mix match and wear accordingly. For tops: 1. White fitted crop top. 2. Pastel knit cardigan in baby pink, lavender, or beige color. 3. Cropped blouses like ruffles, puff sleeves, or bow tie detail. 4. Tweed or structured crop top for classy outfits. 5. Off-shoulder top. 6. Pastel sweatshirt for casual days. Pro tip: Wonyoung's tops are usually cropped or tucked in, never oversized. For bottoms: 1. Pleated mini skirt in white or pastel color. 2. Tweed mini skirt for elegant looks. 3. High-waisted wide-leg jeans in light blue color. 4. A-line skirt adds that idle flair. 5. Tailored shorts in beige, cream, or pink color. 6. Straight-leg trousers for chic brand event vibe. Note: always balance if the top is cropped fitted. The bottom can be structured or flared. For dresses: 1. Puff sleeve mini dress. 2. Tweed or lace mini dress for K-pop elegant look. 3. Fit and flare chiffon dress for dates or outings. 4. Off-shoulder dress for soft and romantic vibe. 5. White or pastel slip dress layer with cardigan or jacket. She often wears mini-length dresses with modest necklines. Classy but cute. For outwears: 1. Cropped blazer. 2. Cardigan both short and long. 3. Trench coat for classy casuals. 4. Denim jacket. 5. Fur jacket for glam events. Wonyoung loves cropped jackets. They make her legs look longer. For footwears: 1. White sneakers. 2. Ballet flats with bows or pearls. 3. Platform heels. 4. Ankle boots. 5. Knee-high boots for glam fits. 6. Strappy heels for events or night looks. Pick shoes with a little platform or hidden heel to boost your heights. For accessories: 1. Pearl earrings. 2. Dainty layered necklaces. 3. Simple gold or silver rings. 4. Mini shoulder bag, top handle bag. 5. Crossbody or mini baguette bag for casual looks. 6. Different types of socks. 7. Classic belt. 8. Minimal watch or bracelet. 9. Bow for hair. 10. Claw clips. She often chooses one elegant piece per outfit, never over-accessorizes. 5th body. What makes her body attractive is her heights, posture, and proportion. She always stands tall with straight shoulders. Even when she looks, she never hunch. And you can achieve straight body like her. Do this exercise daily. And if you are in your teen, then you still have chances to grow your heights by doing consistent exercise like skipping and stretching. For posture: if you look, she has a very balanced body shape. And it's because she dress up to show her balance feature, like short skirt to show long legs, and crop tops and belts to define her waist, and achieve a hourglass body shape by doing exercise. Even Wonyoung never skips her exercise even in her busy days. I hope this video helped you a lot to understand Wonyoungism and starting your Wonyoungism era. And if you struggling with pimples and ants, check out my this video.